Friends, my name is Vivek Emgar from class 8. Today we will learn the subject computer, chapter number 5, viewing a presentation in PowerPoint. Open the sample presentation in MS PowerPoint. Click the View tab. From the Zoom group, click Zoom option. In the Zoom dialog box, under Zoom to list, select the required percentage to increase or decrease your slide view. Else, click the up-down arrows in the percentage box to select the required zoom percentage. Here, in the percentage box, select 100% and click OK. The zoom option inserted in the document. Open the sample presentation, click on View tab. From the presentation view, click Normal. The presentation appears in the normal view showing in front of you. Open the sample presentation, click on View tab. From the presenting view group, click Slide Sorter option. The presentation appears in the slide sorter view. Open the sample presentation, click on View tab. From the view list, click Note Page View. The Note Page view inserted in the document. Open the sample presentation, click on View tab. From the view list, from the presentation views, click Reading View option. The presentation appears in Reading View format. Open the sample presentation. In the left pane, click and drag the thumbnail of required slide to move it. Here select slide 4. Drag the slide up or down as per your requirement. Here drag selected slide down after slide 2. Here the order of slide has changed. Open the sample presentation. Click the slideshow tab. From the slideshow group, click From Beginning option or from current slide. Here click From Beginning. The slide show starts from the list as shown in figure in front of you. To move the next slide, click the mouse button. To end slideshow, click the function F5 key. To exit the document.